Today we're talking about Istinto, a new effect called bamboo. You can obtain this effect by using a special trowel that I'm going to show you in a while. But everything begins, of course, with the first coat of Primus Natural. A great innovation we're presenting this time. It's the trowel which can help us apply the first coat of Istinto. This trowel has a toothed side and a smooth one. What's its function? We're going to use the toothed side to apply the product, and we're going to use the other side to smooth it out. These teeth allow the exact flow and quantity of the product we need for the first coat. Therefore, the application will be much easier, with no hassle at all.
E quindi l'applicazione sarà molto più semplice e priva di problemi e di difficoltà. Quindi per ricapitolare, questa spatola da una parte dentale.
So to recap, this trowel has a toothed side and a smooth one. In order to apply the first coat of Istinto, so Pietra Spaccata and Pietra Zen and other Istinto applications, we will proceed to apply the product using the toothed end, and we will smooth it out using the smooth end of the spatula. It becomes a much easier and more uniform application, which gives us an advantage for the next step.
Uniformità di stesura che ci avvantaggia poi nella fase successiva.
Great! We're done applying Istinto with our new tooth trowel. Now let me introduce you to the right tool to create bamboo. It's very easy. The pattern of this trowel allows us to draw on the wall.
Disegnare il muro. Facilissimo, non si può sbagliare.
It's really easy, you can't go wrong. Up and down with this trowel and you get this pattern, which we're going to lightly press down at the right moment in order to remove excess material.
Evidente. Ecco, terminata la stesura su tutta la parete.
Now we have finished applying this layer on the whole wall and we've drawn down with the trowel. We now have to wait 30 to 40 minutes. Then we're going to compact it a little to remove ridges, with the help of our water sprayer to make our work easier.
Da questo spruzzino che rende il lavoro più semplice. Ecco, in questa fase abbiamo appena.
During this phase, we have lightly stroked the product in order to remove ridges. Now we must wait for it to dry before pressing it down with more firmness and polishing it to get the final effect before applying Gioia.
Dell'applicazione di Gioia.
2 hours have passed. We can now polish and press down bamboo for the last time.
Effettivamente il bambù. Passate 2 ore.
2 hours have passed. It's still wet now. This is the right time to give it the final polishing.
Finale, possiamo farlo adesso. La parete adesso è asciutta.
The wall is now dry and we can talk about finishing. We've split this panel in two so that we will finish with Gioia on this side and we'll finish with Cera on the other side. Let's start with this side and let's apply the first coat of preparation with 30% diluted Gioia.
Abbiamo la prima mano di preparazione con Gioia diluito al 30%.
paint of choice is G2GE, also 30% diluted with water.
To
highlight the stripping, we dilute again with the sprayer, so that less colour remains on the surface and more colour ends up inside the stripe.
Poco colore e il colore si posiziona all'interno della riga.
In order to obtain the effect you can see on the sample case, we recommend a second coat. This way, the final result will be deeper and also more even.
Può essere considerata finita questa parete?
The wall can be considered done at this point, or, as we recommend, you can apply a coat of vetro using the sponge to obtain a deeper pattern and also a better protection.
E anche una maggiore protezione. A questo punto,
now I'm going to show you how to finish Cera. It's really easy. We've applied the first coat of Istinto here, which can be tinted, although it's white in this case. And then we apply Cera and polish with the rag as always.
questo è il bambù.
This is bamboo. You can find it on this catalogue under various solutions. In this case, I've shown you how to apply it with Gioia. In the other case, with Cera. You can use these as inspiration. Follow your instinct and create while having fun with your great results. Good luck with your work.
Buon lavoro.